the street been calling me lately. Infatuated with payment, the feeling made me go crazy. Avoid the fraud and if only you meet should make a mistake. Me reflection of the pros that came before me. Fuck you, pay me, chronic by the cases, out here counting faces. Ducking, dodging cases, large amounts to phases. Handing out the vapors with the cars they gave us. Bottom to the haters, job for haters.
Alright, so this is what we got going on back here. We got the Vibrant Stealth Black, the eBay M1. This needs to come off, and she needs to go on. So what I'm thinking is, I could cut the pipe in somewhere around here and fab up like an extension to attach it to it. Probably still sit somewhere within there. Throw the rubber clamp back over there, and a muffler should sit up here in this area. Let's see how it goes.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
So I cut it, as you can see, it's aftermath. God snow. Whatever. Just going on a wagon. See how cheap it is though. Fiberglass coming out. Whatever. Part that I needed is right here. Boom. Exhaust right there. Fold it back up. It's just 3-inch inner, so like these adapters, I probably will get a newer one. Slips over the pipe, pipe slips inside it. Same thing with this end of the Vibrant. See it going inside. Couple clamps. I know the most, you probably think, oh, it's a bullshit crap job. It ain't welded, whatever. Fuck you. How about that? Nah, but let me stop. Nah, but you know, it makes it simpler if you want to interchange it. You know what I mean? So you don't have to stay with the same muffler and then go to a shop and have shit cut and have to keep cutting and welding every time. You feel like changing your muffler, you want the car to bark, put another muffler on it. Couple screws, that should have come right off. Finito, done deal. Alright, finished product. Really see shit. It's on there. And we got Aaron here. He dropped by. Yeah, you see what it is. Nice and quiet. We're gonna tighten up one of them clamps. You wanna give us a run? Sound like. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely a lot quieter than it was. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Not like that, I mean like as far as the resonator. Yeah. I think that resonator is still some more from it. Yeah. I don't want the car to not be aggressive. It's technically baseball. Sounds good. Take the header off, weld the patches up. I got another roll of wrap. I was going to wrap it just from the runner, like the primary to the collector right there, and leave the rest of it open. I'm gonna take the manual off, just take that. Yeah, y'all see what it is. Little single cam. Pink stillies. Y'all don't want no sauce. Y'all don't want no sauce. None. You hit people with a 52 fake out with that car. Nah, that's the H car. They ain't got no H in it and then bring the H car out. Oh, it's a single cam. That shit's slow.
They got little differences to it. They got the shit on the road. Got the lights and all that. Got the wheels.